But let's take a look at where we're seeing the rain. And notice the motion here. So everything is moving to the north-northeast. Where we're seeing the heaviest of the rain, that's in Colusa County. Now, those storms are heading upward toward Chico, toward Oroville. Yuba City, you'll certainly see a little bit of this, but not moving directly east. Again, it's moving to the north and east. We're also seeing a little bit of some scattered light shower activity over toward Grass Valley. You head up toward Donner Summit. This is where we are seeing some snow. It's rain in the Truckee area right now, but those snow levels are going to be falling as we head throughout the day today. South Lake Tahoe also seeing some snow in the vicinity, especially around Kirkwood and Bear Valley. We have rain showers around Arnold, Pollock Pines, Placerville there as well. Some more rain showers over towards San Andreas and some light shower activity over by Sonora. It's the afternoon, though. That's when we have the best chance to see some heavier rain and the potential for thunderstorms. So let's take a look at Futurecast and play this out here. So around 10:30, we see another line of showers starting to develop. Yuba City, Sacramento starting to move their way towards Stockton. You still see some snow showers in the Sierra. As we head toward 1 o'clock, some stronger, heavier precipitation. Again, possibly some thunderstorms heading over toward Placerville, down by Sonora, Modesto there as well, and then back toward Ukiah too. Then as we head into the evening hours, we're still going to see some scattered showers, potentially some rumbles of thunder. Snow levels will be plummeting, though, as we head into the overnight hours. And then as we get into Sunday, this is Sunday morning, notice we'll likely have some moderate to heavy rain in the foothills, lighter rain in the valley, but that snow really coming down. Sunday and Monday are going to be the alert days for the Sierra, because that is when we expect to see the heaviest of that snowfall, and even lingering into Monday. Now for Monday in the valley and foothills, it's just going to be some scattered shower activity. Now, how much rain are we talking about? Well, for Sacramento, potentially 2 to 3 inches of rain. Blue Canyon could see 6 to 8 inches of rain. And then let's talk about the snow. So winter storm warning goes through Monday afternoon. Snow levels dropping down to 5,000 feet, especially as we get into Monday. And that's when we could potentially see, again, above 5,000 feet, half to a foot of snow. So here's what we're talking about as far as totals go. 3 to 4 feet in Donner Summit. Echo Summit up to 2 feet of snow. Carson and Sonora passes, which thankfully are closed, up to 5 feet of snow. Blue Canyon could see 1 to 2 inches of snow. Now, let's take a look at the 7-day forecast. So again, today is an alert day because of the risk for severe thunderstorms this afternoon. More showers tomorrow. Tomorrow is an impact day in the valley, but it will be an alert day in the Sierra. And then, scattered showers linger on Monday, but Tuesday through Friday, not bad. There's a slight chance for showers Wednesday, but I'm looking forward to seeing some sunshine. We need the rain. The rain is always welcome. The snow is always welcome. But at the same time, we've had a lot going on lately, and we would like a little bit of a break. But we're going to have updates throughout the day on the thunderstorm potential. So the whole weather team, everyone's going to be coming in and helping out.
Sincerely, almost everyone. Thank you so much, Kelly. Appreciate it.